Yo, 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 what is up, guys? We are at the bus again. It has been quite a while, and there has been a lot of progress being made. So let me show you what's going on. Now, the first main thing is we have electrical in the bus. I have a 3,000 watt inverter, a 12 volt battery. It is lithium, and we got a bunch of AC and DC wires. It needs to be cleaned up, but that is where it's at. Now, as we walk to the front, we have a lock. So now we can close the door. We are waiting on some glass. These were two broken ones, but now it opens and closes, and it has a deadbolt, which is nice. As we're walking in, you may notice we have lights in here now. And the most exciting thing is we now have a countertop. It is an acacia butcher block wood, and we have our sink and the refrigerator. We rotate the other side. These are our chairs. They are installed. We have an outlet right under there, and we have an outlet over by the kitchen. This is what it looks like. We also have our stove, and we got water and drain hooked up. If we walk over here, we have our closet area. We're getting our drawers all set up and ready to go. Soft close and locking it so they don't move around. We're getting our shower built in a little bit more. This is our queen size mattress bed frame. And we have our water tank underneath there and a hot water heater there. We are working on getting the cab all nice and pretty. So we're cleaning that up, and we're going to put some carpet and some insulation there. So we have hot and cold water. We have drain from the sink. And we also have propane. So our refrigerator can run off of propane, and our stove can also run off of propane. Now, definitely keep in tune for more videos. I know this is a short video. I'm feeling really tired. We're really pushing on the bus. That's why we haven't done a lot of videos. But we should be almost done within the next month or so, and then we're gonna start traveling. So make sure to keep in tune for that. And I'll see you in the next video.